Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak and in today's video I'm going to be doing this look. I have recreated this look from this Korean girl. This is her character from a K-drama called Vincenzo. And her character in that show was really awesome. She was really badass and literally amazing. I literally wanted to be her. I literally watched half of the K-drama because of this girl. And then I pretty much got interested in that K-drama. So yeah, that was amazing K-drama. But this girl here, her character was super amazing. I really love the character. So I decided to recreate one of her looks. This one. So I tried my best to recreate this makeup look. So if you think my makeup look looks kind of similar to her makeup look, and if you're interested in watching this makeup look, then please keep watching. So to start this makeup look, I'm gonna be first taking my foundation. This is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm gonna use it a little bit because I'm not going for a heavy look. As you can see in the photo, she really has very less makeup on, so I'm just gonna follow the makeup look. Now I'm gonna use a damn beauty blender to blend the foundation in. Now I'm gonna apply the concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty concealer. Now I'm gonna apply my compact powder to set my foundation and concealer in. This is the Faces Canada's compact powder. I'm gonna apply it with a brush. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna apply the eyeshadows. I will apply the eyeshadows from the Swiss Beauty palette. I will mix this color and this color and apply it all over my eyelids. I'm gonna use very little colors as she's wearing very less makeup in the photo. I'm not gonna build the color in my crease as she has monolids, Korean have monolids. So I'm not gonna create a crease here. I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelids. I'm also gonna apply this color on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take this brown color with this small brush and I'm gonna apply it like eyeliner in the outer corners of my eyes. I'm gonna curl my lashes using my eyelash curler. This is from Color Bar. Now I'm gonna apply my mascara. This is from Face Canada. Now I'm gonna apply this bronzer from Nykaa. Now I'm gonna apply blush. I'm gonna apply this blush from Sugar. Now I'm gonna apply this highlighter from Nykaa. Now last but not least, because without it the makeup doesn't look like makeup, we are gonna apply lipstick, red lipstick, because she's applying red lipstick in her picture. This lipstick is from Swiss Beauty. So guys, now that the makeup is done, I'm gonna set my makeup in with this setting spray. This is from Mario Badescu. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope you find this similar makeup look to, the picture, this. So if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in the next video.